Hello guys, my name is Dr. Faraz Ahmed. First of all, please keep in mind this is not a sponsored video at all. I am sharing my own experience with you people as I have shared my experience in the previous videos. If you are an immigrant, whatever your profession is, either you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a student, you are a taxi driver, whatever you are doing, if you are earning something in the United Kingdom, definitely you have to send something back home to support your parents or to support your family. So I have been sending money back home for almost 1.5 years. So why I am preferring this app now? I have been a user of other applications, but why I'm preferring now? The reason is this app is also giving you the free transfer as other apps are giving you the free transfer. But why I am preferring this app? Yes, the important thing which every immigrant who is in the United Kingdom, if you are gonna send money home, what you will check first of all, you will check the rate. Whichever app is giving you the best rate, you are gonna use that app. Definitely I do this and you must be doing this as well. So this app which I'm gonna talk about is called Lemfi, and using this app you are gonna get the best rate in the United Kingdom. So previously TapTap was giving the best rate, but recently the rate of the Lemfi is more than the rate of the TapTap. So this is the reason I am making this video. I'm going to share my experience. The other important thing is that if you are going to use my promo code, so if you will use my promo code for TapTap, you will get just £5. But if you're going to use my promo code for the Lemfi app, you are going to get £15 on your first transfer. So please use my promo code when you are gonna use the Lemfi app to send money back home. And how to use this app, how to create account, and how to send money, I will show you shortly. Please don't skip the video. So using any app store or the Play Store, you have to do what you have to write Lemfi money transfer in the search bar, and the first thing you have to do, there will be Lemfi in front of you. You will click on the install button. I have already installed, so it is coming open. So when you will click over there, this app will open. So what else you can do? I have given the link in the description. You can install the app using my link, or if you have installed already, you can use my referral code or the promo code, and definitely you are gonna get £15 if you are going to send 100 GB in 41 countries, which I will let you know. So I have already created the account, and now I am gonna do what I'm gonna tell you something more about this app. So after creation of the account, you have to verify your identity. So you have to verify, and you will select over here. You can see I have already verified my email address. Now I have to verify my identity. Verify identity, click over here. You have to verify the ID document and the selfie as well. Click on the ID document and it will take you to the next page. So you have to select either BRP, passport, driving license, or the identity card. I am gonna select the resident, British resident permit, BRP. So I have selected that. The phone is asking access to your camera. You will give the access to camera, and after this you have to select, definitely you are a non-US resident. If you are US resident, you have to select that one. So it will take you to the next page. Now you have to scan the front page of your BRP. Document is readable. Then you have to scan the back side of your BRP. So after taking the picture, it will say yes, document is readable. Then you have to take the selfie, and once selfie is accepted, then your account is created. After that, you have to add money to your account. You will select on the add money option. Okay, so here you can see I am gonna send money from GBP to Pakistan PKR, and before adding the money, I'm gonna tell you the rate. So on that day, £1 is equal to £372. These are 41 countries you can send money using the Lemfi app from the United Kingdom. Okay, so in this way, guys, so if £1 is equal to 372, if I'm gonna send the £100, so I will get this money in Pakistan. So he's asking, you don't have money, you have insufficient balance, so click on the add money option. And what else you can do, you can add via debit card, or you can add the instant bank transfer as well. So first of all, I am going to add using the debit card. So you have to enter the amount, how much money you want to add. Then you have to enter the card number, expiry date, and everything. So the second option is instant bank transfer. Click over there, put the money which you want to send. Then I understand, you will accept that, and after that it will link to your bank. And what you have to do, you have to approve the money by going into the app of your bank. So in this way, guys, you can see £100 has been added to my Lemfi account, and then I will click on the send money option. Here I have to put £100, and in Pakistan I'm gonna get this money So after this you have to create the new pin for the transaction as well. After the creation of this pin, so you have to select either you want to send in the bank payment or you want to send on the mobile, and you will enter all these details of the recipient bank account. So after entering all these details, you have to select on the continue button, and now you can see the money is gone from my account, and definitely I have received the money back home in my bank account as well. So there is £0 left in my lemfi account in the United Kingdom. So in this way guys, this is very simple process, and if you're gonna follow this process, you can easily use this app. And yes, the good thing is using this app on the first transaction, if it is £100 or more, you are gonna get the £15 back into your account. So this is very good opportunity and very good offer if you want to send money back home. So just use my promo code, get £15 in your account, and definitely I will get £15 in my account as well. Thank you very much.